ever wished you could take a clone of yourself, put them on a beach, sipping a cocktail? Or what if you could instantly take the outfit from one picture and apply it to your own character? Imagine doing all that in just a few clicks. Today, I'm showing you a tool that makes it happen. Everything from expression adjustment and image stylization to expanding scenes and erasing unwanted objects. This website masters it all, and it has a very user-friendly, intuitive UI that is so easy to use. In this video, I'm breaking down the game-changing tools on Dzine that will make your AI video creation faster, easier, and more impressive than ever before. First, running a story-based YouTube channel or any other channel that relies on characters, I'm sure you need consistent characters throughout your content. Then the Dzine Consistent Character tool is a game changer. You have two options when it comes to character creation. You can upload images of your character, like I did with myself. You can also use a description of your character, and Dzine will generate one based on that. Let's create an image where my replica and the newly generated character are sipping a coffee in a coffee shop. Now, a quick heads up. We can only use one consistent character at a time with this specific workflow. So, I am going to create a base image where I'm with a random girl, then use the Character in Paint tool to paint in the character I just generated. So let's choose my character, then I'm going to paste in my prompt, which is basically saying two women having fun and drinking a coffee. I like to generate a few images, so I have options to choose from. So here are some of the options. As you see, not all of them are super accurate, but again, this is why we generated multiple images. I think this is the best one, so let's go with this. Click on Place on Canvas. So we need to insert our second character. Let's go back and click on Insert Character. First, we need to select the character we want to replace. Then choose our other character, paste in the same prompt, and click on Generate. Now we have a few options, but I think this is the best one, so place it on the canvas. The hands are weird, so we need to fix them. Let's select the Hand Repair tool. Again, select the parts you want to fix. I recommend going through the hands character by character, so the AI only needs to generate 2 good hands instead of many. After a few generations, I think this is the best one. And just like that, perfectly consistent characters for your story. Now, on Dzine, you can turn these images into videos by going over to AI Video. You can find all the popular AI video models here, but I think WAN 2.1 is the best one when it comes to cost to quality. Obviously, you don't want to spend a fortune to use the top-of-the-line video generation model. Quality is important, but as you can see, the best model, which is Kling 2.0, costs 215 credits, while the WAN 2.1 is only 6 credits. And these add up, especially if you are making a long video. Now click on Generate. While that's generating, a quick tip. WAN has an official website where you can generate unlimited AI videos for free. The catch is that you can only use the relaxed generation mode. And when I tried that, it was around 6 to 8 hours per video because of the long queue, and you can only queue up one video at a time. But the subscriptions are not too expensive, and with that, you can queue up multiple videos at once. Back in Dzine, this is what we got. Amazing! Honestly, that makes me thirsty for a coffee. Back from the coffee break. I have generated an image of myself hiding from the cops, but my face does not represent the trouble I am in. So we can use the expression editor to make me look more scared. We have multiple expression sliders here. First, I'm going to make my eyes more open to look more scared. See how that already adds a touch of alarm? Now, after playing around with the sliders a bit, this is what I got. I'm pretty happy with the result. Now, another tool that can come in handy while generating your videos is restyling them to make the style more consistent. To do that, go to Image to Image. Here, you can choose from their style library. They have a handful of pre-trained styles, or you can teach the AI a style you want to achieve by uploading 3 to 10 images, or use the quick style where you only need one image. Of course, the result isn't going to be as good compared to the trained styles. Let's go with a pre-trained style. Let's say, 3D rendering. That could be a good one. I'm going to click on Describe Canvas because why write a new prompt if the AI can give you a head start, right? You can adjust the style intensity and the structure match to keep your scene close to the original image. After clicking on Generate, this is what I've got. I think the results are fantastic. Now, another one that can come in handy is the Insert Object tool. This can be super useful if you want your character to have a very specific outfit, or if you want to achieve outfit consistency. All we need to do is select the area we want to change, then upload an image of the dress, and give a short description of the image we want to generate. And the versatility doesn't stop there. For instance, need to add something entirely new to your scene? You can seamlessly insert objects with this tool. Want to fine-tune specific details? You also have the power to precisely modify any part of your image. Got something distracting in your shot? The AI eraser can make unwanted elements vanish as if they were never there. And if your image isn't quite fitting your project's dimensions, you can easily expand your canvas to achieve the perfect aspect ratio. Truly, Dzine has it all. With these kinds of tools, you can create your visuals from the ground up. It has much more to offer, but you know what is the best thing about this? You can try it for a week for absolutely free using the link in the description below. And once you've created your awesome new content with Dzine, you'll want to make sure it gets seen. So be sure to check out this video to learn how to signal YouTube what your video is about.